Dhanraj Pillai, born on July 16, 1968, is a celebrated Indian hockey player and former captain of the Indian hockey team. Throughout his illustrious career, he participated in 4 Olympic Games, 4 World Cups, and 4 Asian Games. Under his leadership, the Indian team secured the gold medal at the 1998 Bangkok Asian Games and the 2003 Hockey Asia Cup in Malaysia. Dhanraj Pillai's exceptional skills and contribution to cricket earned him prestigious accolades, including the Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award in 1999 and the Padma Shri in 2000. Over his career, he played more than 339 matches and scored over 170 goals, highlighting his remarkable talent and impact on the sport. His leadership on the field was highly regarded, and under his captaincy, the Indian hockey team achieved significant success in major tournaments. Dhanraj Pillai remains a legendary figure in Indian hockey, celebrated for his dedication and achievements. On July 16, 1856, the Hindu Widow Remarriage Act was legally established, coming into effect on July 26, 1856. This act was a significant reform in Indian society during the 19th century, initiated by Governor General Lord Dalhousie and passed by Lord Canning prior to the 1857 revolt. The act made it legal for widows to remarry and provided legal protection for men marrying widows. It ensured that a remarried widow retained the rights and inheritance from her first marriage equal to those of a woman marrying for the first time. This legislation marked a major shift in the status of women at that time, promoting gender equality and social reform. The first marriage under this act reportedly took place on December 7, 1856 in North Calcutta, symbolizing the beginning of a new era for women's rights in India. On July 16, 1969, Neil Armstrong, along with his companions, embarked on the historical Apollo 11 mission to the moon. On July 20, 1969, Armstrong became the first person to step on the moon, spending about 2.5 hours on its surface. During his time there, he hoisted the US flag, walked around, and took photographs. He also collected soil samples before returning to Earth on July 24. Armstrong and his fellow astronauts had been training for this mission since 1965. The Apollo 11 spacecraft, which took off from the Kennedy Space Center at 9:32 a.m., covered over 240,000 kilometers in 76 hours to reach the moon. This mission marked a significant milestone in space exploration and human history. On July 16, 1945, the world's first nuclear test, codenamed Trinity, was conducted by the United States. This test was part of the Manhattan Project, approved by President Franklin Roosevelt on October 28, 1942, to develop atomic weapons due to fears that Germany was making similar advances. The project was led by scientist Robert Oppenheimer, often referred to as the father of the atomic bomb, and involved over 6,000 scientists and military personnel. On July 12, 1945, components of the bomb were transported to a remote desert location. At 5:30 a.m. on July 16, 1945, a massive explosion occurred, creating a 300-meter wide crater and releasing 21 kilotons of energy. This test marked a significant achievement for the United States, leading to the use of atomic bombs on Japan the following month, altering the course of World War II and global warfare. On July 16, 1979, Saddam Hussein became the 5th president of Iraq, known worldwide as a dictator responsible for significant atrocities. Born on April 28, 1937 in Baghdad, Saddam played a pivotal role in a 1968 military revolt that brought his party to power. He ruled Iraq from July 1979 until April 2003, launching campaigns against Shias and Kurds shortly after gaining power. Saddam Hussein, an opponent of America, saw his security forces kill about 250,000 people in Iraq. His aggressive actions against Iran and Kuwait led to further thousands of deaths. On November 5, 2006, an Iraqi court convicted Saddam for the massacre of 148 Shias in Dujail in 1982. He was executed by hanging on December 30, 2006.
रितम मीडिया की नई ऐप आ गई है। जी हाँ, देश की उभरती हुई बहुभाषी मल्टीमीडिया रितम ऐप का नया वर्जन लॉन्च कर दिया है। इस नए अपडेट के साथ मिलेंगे आपको ढेर सारे मजेदार फीचर्स। जैसे ही आप ऐप खोलेंगे, आपको सबसे ताजी खबरों का सेक्शन लेटेस्ट न्यूज मिलेगा। इसमें आप देश दुनिया की हर खबर PIH और देख सकते हैं। साथ ही दिस डे इन हिस्ट्री में जानिए इतिहास की खास बातें। रितम मीडिया ने खास आपके लिए टीवी और वेब सीरीज सेक्शंस जोड़े हैं। अब देखिए अलग अलग न्यूज चैनल्स और मजेदार कहानियां। और हाँ, सिटीजन जर्नलिज्म को बढ़ावा देने के लिए वीडियो सेक्शन भी है। यहाँ आप अपने इलाके की बातें सब तक पहुँचा सकते हैं। खासकर महिलाओं और युवाओं के लिए भी अलग अलग टैब्स हैं जो उनकी पसंद और जरूरतों को ध्यान में रखकर बनाए गए हैं। तो अब इंतजार कैसा? फटाफट गूगल प्ले स्टोर या iOS पर जाइए और रितम ऐप डाउनलोड कीजिए। सबसे पहले पाइए अपडेटेड न्यूज।